Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Samsung S22 charging cable is probably one of the most essential accessories for keeping your powerful device juiced up and ready for action, ensuring you never miss a beat whether you're capturing stunning photos, staying connected with loved ones, or powering through your workday. However, with so many options flooding the market, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a maze. And that's precisely why we're here to help you cut through the noise and find the perfect charging companion that balances speed, durability, and compatibility for your specific needs. Number 5. Anker USB C to USB C cable, 60W, 6 feet, 2-pack. Introducing the Anker USB C to USB C cable, designed for your high-speed charging needs. This durable cable ensures reliable power delivery for all your essential devices. Engineered with a reinforced nylon exterior, it's built to withstand over 5,000 bends. Experience charging that lasts longer than the competition. Power up your devices in no time with support for up to 60W fast charging. Simply pair it with a compatible USB-C charger for optimal performance. Enjoy seamless connectivity with virtually all your USB-C devices. It's perfect for phones, tablets, and laptops, making it a versatile addition to your tech accessories. Not only does it charge fast, but it also transfers files at impressive speeds of 480 megabits per second. Move your data quickly and efficiently. Keep your space tidy with the included hook and loop cable tie. Setup is a breeze with the included welcome guide. What we like. This cable offers robust durability with a reinforced nylon exterior, capable of withstanding thousands of bends. If you're looking for a long-lasting cable that can handle daily wear and tear, this is a great choice. Its 60W fast charging capability makes it ideal for quickly powering up your devices. What people say. The cable is durable and has a good length. It charges my Samsung S22 quickly and efficiently. The braided design makes it less prone to tangling. Number 4. ETGUUDS USB A to USB C cable 6.6 feet, 2-pack. Experience rapid power-ups with our cable, supporting fast charging speeds up to 3A. Ensure your device and wall charger are also equipped for fast charging to get the best results. Transfer your files quickly and efficiently with data speeds up to 480 megabits per second. This cable is designed for reliable data synchronization, supporting USB 2.0 standards. Constructed with durable nylon braiding and solid fibers, this cable is built for longevity. It's tangle-free, flexible, and designed to withstand over 20,000 bends. Connect seamlessly with a wide range of USB-C devices, including popular Samsung Galaxy and iPhone models. Please note it's compatible with iPhone 15 and newer. This package includes two 6.6-foot black braided nylon USB-C to USB-A fast charging cables. What we like. With a lifespan tested for over 20,000 bends, this cable is built for extreme durability. If you tend to bend or twist your cables frequently, or need a reliable cord for everyday use, its heavy-duty braided nylon construction is a significant advantage. It also supports fast charging up to 3A. What people say. The cable is durable and has a good length. It charges my phone quickly and efficiently. The USB-C connector fits snugly into the port. Number 3. Anker USB A to USB-C cable 2-pack 3 feet. Join over 80 million users who trust Anker's leading technology to power their devices. Experience the Anker advantage. This cable is USB-F compliant, ensuring safe and reliable charging for almost any USB-C device. You can count on it for your daily power needs. Engineered to last, this cable has been rigorously tested in labs to withstand thousands of bends. It's built to handle your active lifestyle. Enjoy fast charging up to 15W and swift data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. It's perfect for keeping your devices powered up and your files synced. You'll receive two 3-foot braided USB-A to USB-C cables. Plus, enjoy our 24-month warranty and dedicated customer support for peace of mind. What we like. This cable is USB-F compliant, ensuring safe and reliable charging for your USB-C devices. If safety and compatibility with a wide range of devices are your top priorities, this is an excellent option. Its proven durability with a 10,000 bend lifespan and a convenient 3-foot length make it perfect for desk or travel use. What people say. The cable is durable and has a good length. It charges my Samsung S22 quickly and efficiently. The USB-C connector fits snugly into the port. Number 2. Ubearkk 25W USB C Fast Charger Kit. Experience lightning fast charging with our 25W USB C charger. It supports multiple fast charging technologies to power up your devices in no time. Get from 0% to 60% in just 30 minutes, and a full charge in about an hour. It's designed to keep you connected and powered up. This charger is compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, including Samsung Galaxy phones and more. It's the versatile charging solution you need. Choose between a convenient 10 feet or a portable 6.6-foot cable. Whether you're at home or on the go, you'll have the perfect length for any situation. Rest assured, your devices are protected. It features multiple safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating for safe and reliable charging. This kit includes two 25W PD USB-C fast charging blocks and two 6.6-foot USB-C to USB-C cables. Everything you need for a superior charging experience. What we like. This kit provides a complete charging solution with both a 25W wall block and two cables in different lengths. If you need to charge your Samsung devices super fast and want the flexibility of both a long cable for your desk or bed and a shorter one for on the go, this package is ideal. It supports multiple fast charging technologies for maximum compatibility. What people say. The cable is durable and has a good length. It charges my Samsung S22 quickly and efficiently. The USB-C connector feels secure and fits snugly into the port. Number 1. Aioneus 3-pack 6 feet USB-C fast charging cables. Never worry about compatibility again. These cables are designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of USB-C devices, from the latest smartphones to tablets and gaming consoles. Enjoy the freedom to use your devices while they charge. The generous 6-foot length allows you to relax on a couch or work comfortably in your office without being tethered. Tired of mixing up cables? With these cables in 3 distinct colors, you can easily identify yours and your family's, keeping your charging area organized. Power up your devices in no time. These cables support 3A fast charging, ensuring a quick and efficient power boost, and offer high-speed data transfer up to 480 megabits per second. Experience exceptional durability. Constructed with double nylon braiding, these cables are built to withstand daily wear and tear, resisting kinks and bends for long-lasting performance. Your package includes 3 6-foot USB-C charging cords in blue, gray, and gold. Please ensure your device has a Type-C port, as these are not compatible with micro USB devices. What we like. You get 3 6-feet nylon braided USB-C cables in this pack, offering great value and variety in color. If you're looking for multiple reliable charging cables for different locations or to share with family, this is a fantastic deal. The durable braided design and 3A fast charging ensure efficient power delivery. What people say. The cable is durable and supports fast charging. It's a good length for convenient use. The build quality feels premium and it charges devices quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.